day 2 of Vlogmas. Heather's home from work today. She is folding some laundry because yesterday someone was on her side of the road and she took a mailbox out. A mailbox that was cemented into the ground. Windshield's busted, mirrors broke off, car scratched, yada yada yada. Just another day in the life of chaos. I'm showing you on my channel, chaos. But she gotta take that tomorrow at 10, right?
Yep.
She'll take that tomorrow to get, I guess, an estimate. They're gonna take pictures and stuff. She got a set for today so that she could take care of adult fun stuff. But I haven't done anything. I haven't even come on lights on. So I guess we're gonna declutter, or should I just like take everything out of cabinets and put everything back? Is that how you're supposed to do this? I don't want to. Don't want to do it. And I said in my last video, I said, send help. Like, be at my house by 8 o'clock this morning. And I just want you to know, not one dabbling one of yous were at my house this morning. Thanks. Thank you very much. I got a million other things to do today. So do y'all want to see everything? Do y'all want to see us cleaning, doing laundry, cleaning up dog puke? Because Flash has threw up a few times this morning. I don't know why. I don't know if he ate something or... Oh Lord, there's no telling. I don't know why he's sick, but hopefully he'll feel better soon. He's on the porch getting some air. Giving my new rug a break. On a happy note. What is our happy note? We're live. We're still kicking. We got paper towels to clean the mess up with. We got insurance to fix the car. I'm still your friends, even though you didn't show up this morning to help me. Let's do it. I'm talking so I don't have to do this. You know that, right? I knew. I knew. Oh Lord, what's the best angle here? I guess I should lower. High chair tray that we're never going to use. Trash it.
Yep.
It goes to the walker. I'll never use it. We have a laptop. I have all my old good epidemic sound music on it. That sound's not available now unless you already had it downloaded. So maybe I can transfer some of this music to my... Oh my God, I can't. I can't. Emergency, emergency, come here. There's something growing on them buns. And my stomach's weak this morning. Her cat sneezed and blew a big wad of snot all over my phone. I had a mouthful. Oh my God, show them the buns. Show them the buns. And I had a mouthful of food and I could not swallow it. I thought I was going to die. And now green buns. I think there might be more green stuff if you want to hang on.
Let me put this stuff up.
It smells like there's green stuff in here. That's what it smells like to me. Keeping all these candles because we were without power and we need to put these in an emergency candle bucket. Emergency candle. Emergency candle. There's that. Do you want a new car? Do you want to keep this in the smell? Drush.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall. Everybody's waiting for what's to come. We gather round the chimney, sitting close to keep us warm. The mistletoe is
That's kind of pretty though. Keep trash. Oh, pretty. Taylor, ain't that pretty?
The point of decluttering is to get away.
Yeah, but I can use that next year.
You'll forget it's down
You
there.
buy it next year.
You'll forget it's down there.
That might go to my Dyson. You sure we have? Can't do. Alright. Do you ever gonna use this again? Thermometer for me. If you are, keep it. It's roasted.
feeling lonely or in despair. We give out the presents, they keep coming back for more. No one should be sad or left alone. Nothing matters more than being here with you. I give up all I have to show you
The trash is running over. I'm doing good.
Christmas is the time to leave your ego out the door. Everybody's smiling while we dance around the floor.
What if I put the Yetis, the big,
We're not gonna use them all anyway.
well, I am some of them, but what if I put the big cups that we don't use a lot in there? Or should I keep things where everybody knows where it's at?
Road trip.
Heather wants to show you guys her car. I need to take this and that KitchenAid mixer to my mom and dad. Should I go ahead and stick it in the car? Because I did put their names on it. This is what I made them last Christmas. It's their family tree and they wanted their names on it. It's not centered, but they won't know. So there's the culprit mailbox. How did you do that? I don't know either. It's a great day. Yeah. Dang. Did you get shot at?
I don't care about that.
So give us a visual. You riding down the road, boom, 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 pow.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was scared and nervous.
And then dude come out
Upset.
chasing you.
Yeah.
I don't blame him. It was a nice mailbox. I said, why didn't you hit a plain mailbox? You had to hit a fancy mailbox. It's okay because you don't have insurance.
My door more glass falls, and I pay good insurance. That's why my deductible's only $250.
Yeah, it's chipped down in there. I'll make it my thumbnail right here. At least she wasn't hurt. At least my kid wasn't in a car with you. She never ride with you. She has trust issues anyway, so she would never ride with you again.
This receipt for the exchange.
I don't think so. Okay, so Heather got a tote, and we had an exchange of a Christmas item. Don't watch this, Hunter. Yeah. We're just laying on the table. I gotta wrap it. Okay. So if we want to keep it and have it handy to pull from in the garage, we'll put it in here.
And this time next year, we'll be
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
This time next year, we'll be throwing all this stuff away.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Annie, come here.
I was gonna put her in a tote.
No. Put her in the tote.
I'm just playing, guys. I would not do that. Okay, crock pot we use too much to put in a tote. But it does go on a shelf in the garage. Okay. You probably don't want to get rid of this because we use this for big stuff when we cook Thanksgiving and stuff, but we don't use it often. Can it go in the bucket?
Yeah.
Score 1, 2. Okay. Okay, we do not ever use a shopper, but we might one day. So we'll put this in the tote.
I'm going away from it. I thought I'd use it and we never do, so.
Food processor, we do not use that often. Maybe okay. We use that Ninja too much to, yeah. I'll stick it under there. One day, you'll have a man, and you can put flowers in this here vase. Do you want to keep it?
No.
Trash it?
Sure.
What if? What if one day that man gives you flowers and you're like, dang it, I need a vase. You gonna use a mason jar? You gonna see if Lexi wants it?
Put it in a stupid tub.
Here.
So you don't want to throw it away.
I don't care. You're a trash can. I'll get judged. Get judged. I'll get hated. I'll hate. I'll judge. Judgment. Moving right along. And this here cabinet. Okay, do we want anything from here? We need to clean this, but I think we pretty much use most things in there. Can opener can go over here in this one. This, because we might use that every once in a while. It's got them bigger things somewhere. Do you know how to put it together? Okay. Just a funny little story I was going to share with you guys. The day before, when I was pulling everything out of these cabinets, you seen that Lakely was here. Lexi had ran to the store, so I had Lakely in her walker. Heather's kitten had knocked Kennedy's AirPods off, and they, of course, hit the ground, opened up, and so the cat swatted the AirPods up under the refrigerator. $300 AirPods. So I was in the floor with a flashlight trying to dig those out, and Lakely comes over and bumps my head with the walker, which is no big deal. It was just gentle. When I went to get up, my hair was wrapped around the wheels on her walker. So luckily Kennedy was here to save the day, but I was like, how do I even get myself in these predicaments? If we ever get rich, I'm getting all new cabinets. These cabinets are the biggest bunch of junk, and one of them's duct tape. The end. Now for the fun part. I'm one that wants my can opener, toaster, all those little appliances, I want them tucked away in a cabinet and I'll pull it out and use it as needed. But I don't want my countertops cluttered up with those things. My mom leaves all of those things sitting out on her counter. Let me know what you leave out on your counter and what you put away. Okay. I don't know where that thing's at. Look. Oh, it's not broken.
I was like, what is she talking about?
I thought it was green. Okay, it's not broken. Oh, God. See, that's why it raised that Heather in their life. So what do you think things
It's
are
like there's
broken?
something
They're
right
really
today.
not. The best words you can ever say is, I'm getting rid of it. I want to keep that. Throw them away. I'm just kidding. There's that one's, see, it's better days. The circle thing, throw it away. They don't use them anymore. Moving on. Nice angle of my no hand in. I'm gonna put all the Tupperware bowls over there. The mixing bowls over here. Or I don't know. I don't want to do them all. There's the Lexi has the lid to this. She has the wrong lid, so I need to tell her, Lexi, if you're watching that, bring me the right lid. This does not fit this.
Darling, I get you on my mind when Christmas comes to town. It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go.
I ended up moving things around so many times, and I think that's just what you have to do before you can see what works where. But in this cabinet, I put casserole dishes and lids. I have a big pot for like cooking tomatoes or a huge thing of vegetable soup, potato soup, whatever. And then I have a big frying pan, and I don't want those scratched up. They were expensive, so I keep those kind of off to theirself. But then I ended up putting mixing bowls in that cabinet as well. So in this cabinet up here, I put mixing bowls too, but then I put Tupperware, and I started to stack it without lids, but those lids were just sliding around everywhere. So I looked up ideas for lids, and I know you can screw things to your door, like your cabinet doors, and then stick your lids in there. Or you can get like a dish strainer, but of course I don't have room up here. But if you have a big cabinet, a dish strainer, you can put your lids in all those little slots. And I know, of course, you can buy those things too just for that. But I went ahead and just put the lids on those new ones. They're the ones that just snap on. So those are really nice, and I wanted to keep those kind of organized to themselves. And then we had a cheaper set, I think it was like $5 Black Friday. And I put those on that second shelf, and I just put the lids underneath those.
I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you make
So next I need to go through all of my food and spices, things like that. I would love to have a spice rack and have just all kinds of different spices, so they're handy. If you find something in a recipe that you don't have to really run out to the store, you'll have it, but there's a lot of things that we don't really use a lot of, so I don't know if it's worth having it or not. But I would like to have some kind of a spice rack. I don't really want to build one because I feel like everybody on YouTube builds a spice rack, but I really would like to have one. Buy one, build one, something. But I need to go through the food. I need to go through my fridge again. I've been keeping up with the fridge pretty good. Been keeping up with the laundry pretty good. But when you do something like this, it takes like your whole day. So you kind of get behind on everything else. So I do need to jump in and clean my house and all that. So you might get a bonus video before Sunday. I'm not sure. I may go help Lexi clean her house. I know she's needing a little bit of help with lately and cleaning and things like that. But I'll throw something up for you guys probably before Sunday, but it does feel good to open these cabinets and them look like this. It really does, and makes me want to keep them like that. Who knows how long it'll last, but I'm going to try. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Jesus loves you, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Here in the waiting, wandering and fading, I know there is something more than this. I think I am ready for doing some changing. Oh God, there is something more than this.